Hey travelers, today you are going to witness 10 breathtaking waterfalls on Earth with Travel to Celebrate. This is Stugra Waterfall located in Svaneti region of Georgia. While this is the Horseshoe Falls or Niagara Falls on USA-Canada border. While this is Horsetail Waterfall of Spain. Here is Lower Yosemite Fall of California, USA. However, this is Gullfoss or Golden Falls of Iceland. Which of these incredible waterfalls would you visit first? Let us know below. For more amazing journeys, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Travel to Celebrate. Until then, keep exploring.